What's up, bag babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle. Welcome to the channel. We're going to be doing an unboxing of Park Lane's August jewelry box, or as we call it, Sparkle Box. If you're new to the Sparkle Box and what it's all about, here's a video up above so that you can get some more information. There's 2 boxes, and I'll tell you which piece comes with each box, okay? I try to be plain when I do these videos because you never know what's in these boxes. I love jewelry. Subscription boxes are so fun. First off is a pair of earrings. Me, bag babes, y'all know I'm a hoop girl, I'm a gold girl. This is definitely unique in that it has the white I want to say white stone, and you'll see some gems right there. So you see the gems in between. So there's definitely some bling to it. The light's kind of picking it up. If you're wondering the weight of these, there is some weight to them. So I wouldn't say they're super lightweight, but for me, I'm used to wearing large, heavy jewelry, so it doesn't bother me. These ones are I want to say it's like medium-sized hoops. So there is some weight to it, but it's not much of a bother. Now, if you get the $24 Sparkle Box, you get 1 item, and it's this item, okay? They are the earrings, all right? Now, if you want to level it up, and I'm one of those that I like to have a set, or it helps my life get easier or easier to have a set, you can upgrade to a premium Sparkle Box, and it comes with 2 items, all right? And the items usually go together, all right? So in this set, of course, I got you girls got your premium. It comes with the earrings, and it comes with a lovely necklace. Oh my gosh, I love that. I will tell you this, I love the Sparkle Box because they gift me things that I would normally not give myself. So if you're trying to try things out, see what you do like or you don't like, the Sparkle Box is your thing. I love how there's just one piece of gem. Do you see that one bling right there? And then it is a bright green with all the glitter on it. I want to say that is kind of like a butterfly, would you call? One thing I love about Park Lane is with these layering necklaces, they give you the option to wear both. Sometimes they come in 3s, or just 1. So let's just say I don't like the green and I just want to keep it simple and just wear the pearls, right, to match with the white. You can, okay? Or if you want to spice it up and bling it up, you could absolutely wear both. This is the $39 premium Sparkle Box. You're gonna get the earrings and the necklace with this. If you just want to get the $24 Sparkle Box, it does just come with the hoops, okay? Now here is a set that I found online. So if you need more accessories, because layering accessories is so fun, if you're interested in matching necklaces, matching bracelets, here's a gift set for you. Now, if you want to pile something up to match your current Sparkle Box, say you got this and you're like, oh, Rochelle, I need the other stuff, reach out to me. I'm going to do a little magic, and I always give you guys the best deal, okay? Basically, you put your 2 least expensive items in your cart. It unlocks 4 more items at additional 50% off. And sometimes Park Lane has a special that if you buy something that's $100, you only pay $30, or some items that are $200, you get paid $30, or in some cases are for free. Reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you want to know what the deal of the day is, or deal of the week, I should say. And if you're interested, I'll put the link down below so that you get started. Ship out on the 1st of every month. So that's one thing I love about Park Lane, is it's almost like Amazon, where their shipping is super fast. You can give this video a big like if you enjoy yourself a Sparkle Box or a subscription box. Again, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see some of you guys in the membership. There's a join down button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta!